Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create folder in app screen on Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to create apps folder just like that in your app screen, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to keep a long press on any app and then put the app on the other apps. Let's see how. Just like that, just keep it on other app, then release that. It will create a folder. Now just keep and hold it and release them. So that's how you can easily create folder. If you want to create folder for multiple apps, just select this option, then select different apps which you want to set in a folder. Then tap on create folder and it will automatically create a folder for your selected apps. So that's how you can easily create folder in app screen in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.